Alright, so this is kind of a quick video to show some of the features that I've changed. This is the shell holder for the trimmer setup that Lee provides, or the case holder. I changed out the face of this. I put a carbide insert in there, just a piece of the shank of an end mill that I cut off, and then I tapped it and put a screw in there so I could actually adjust the depth. Now this actually goes in a handle that I made. Press fit this metal sleeve. I really want to put a set screw, clean that up. It looks kind of hideous. Alright, now if I can show you with one hand, this is the shell holder for the trimmer. I press fit this on here. I want to redesign this. It's not very comfortable to use, but it does work. The edges really need to be more rounded. This was just something quick. I haven't really adjusted since. But, alright. And the modifications I've done to the trimmer, I don't know if you can see it. It's actually inside. It's the same cutter, but I made a sleeve that actually has little blades inside that are cut at an angle. They're adjustable. They're adjustable this way. There's a slit in the blade itself, and then if you loosen this set screw, you can actually twist and it'll actually collar and swivel down, so you can actually adjust it both ways. It works really good. For different thicknesses of brass, you have to adjust it. LC brass would have a huge chamfer on it, whereas Winchester comes out perfect as I have it adjusted now. I redesigned the pilot itself. Stainless steel I turned at home. I don't have a lathe, I have a mill, so that's kind of redneck. But this is a drill bit that I cut, so the pilot is not going to wear out like the original one was. So I had to set screw it in. The adjustment on this is a pain in the butt. That's why I did the adjustment on the shell holder. And then of course you have to have a sleeve to catch all the shavings. So I got some brass prepped. I'm gonna get everything ready. This is it's got a little bit of vibration. I estimate it's spinning about 2,000 RPM. This is my prep station here. I don't even really need this stuff. The only thing I need is this here. Like I said, it outer deburs on the trimmer, so I don't really need that. This is a primer pocket tool to, cut it, but I don't usually do that. This right here it's just as a quick way to mount it. I would like to clean that up, make it a little better. But this is a Dremel that I modified. I put a different motor in it, but I kept the bearing and stuff, so I can put this brush. It works amazing on primer pockets. I mean, it's really good. Something else, I made my own little gauge here, concentricity gauge. Works great. Press fit some ball bearings in there, so it just floats on the ball bearing. So this is really hard. So, I'm cheap, so I make it myself. This is something I made. Mount your trickler to a motor, and then I've got two speeds. I've got slow, which is adjustable. Turn it off. Turn it up. So it is. There you go. Turn it slow. And then you have override, which is full blast. It has lithium batteries in here, so I just recharge it. Alright, I'm going to get set up and show you how this trimmer works.